Hey guys, Thermo here, and today we're going to go over this, but right now, as you see, I'm here. I don't mind that, my sister's screaming right now, but, so, um, the mud wings are being worked on right now, is that what it says? We're going to talk about that later in the end of the video. I'll go over what everything is, but I was going to do a school RP because, Thermo was bored and there was nothing else to do, and guess what she ran into? Thermo got disconnected, and I was really confused. And then when I hit random server again, literally everybody was there. And then I realized I was in a admin server, which was fun. So we got some questions that wanted to be answered. So yeah, that footage is gonna be there. So I'm not gonna be voicing over that part, but the last bit, someone comes to tell what the new update is, too. So, sorry, I had to burp. Sorry, but, yeah, feel free to read this. Alright, that's Thermo not talking for a little bit. See you in the end of the video. Okay, so this is about a part, I guess more questions will be asked. I think I started a little further back. Oh yeah, so Life Station will be out once all the adults are done, slash, basically, maybe all the tribes are released. I bet that's what they mean. But, yes. So, I'm gonna have to cut parts out so we can include this, because so, hold on, yeah. So this is it. I'm gonna have to cut, yeah, this is definitely gonna be cut. Like, there's no way I'm releasing a video 47 minutes long. Okay, I'm about to ask, what's the new update? Well, hey, I personally can't wait for the Mudwings to be back. How about y'all? Oh, come on. Why would I do that? Okay, now ask it, Thermo. Well, past Thermo. I honestly don't remember every single detail of this. Animus is not a game pass. I think you have to, like, get chosen to be an Animus for certain things, but the admin never listed how you could get that. Like, how you could get promoted to Animus. So, Animus in Discord, Animuses are chosen by the team based on some things. Yeah, like, I don't know what, they never explained that, but what's the new update that got us all quote-unquote kicked, I guess? Okay, from the game. From the server. So in a bit, a Rainwing is gonna come over, I believe. Sorry, I just scratched myself too hard. Ew. Okay, sorry. Okay, so, Fate. This is the... I'm sorry if your question isn't answering me. There's many of them. So this is the Rainwing that, this is the Rainwing that explains the new update. So... Okay, so I'm about to angle it perfectly and make it so we get the update. I did not write this down though because that's too long. Alright. I believe the server is almost full, so around 40 people. Okay, so introduce proximity prompts as new way to interact with environment, NPCs, quest items, fishing, furniture, etc. That's the first thing. Right now, this person is reading it off from the thing. Seawings can now catch fish more easily, which I went, ooh, because I'm a sea wing, basically, except Dream Swimmer is part Nightwing, but in the game it's remove sparkles from quest items. A prompt will show up when a player comes close enough. Sort of like the way you act with NPCs / non-player characters if you don't know what NPC stands for. Players can no longer pick up Dove's horn ring before accepting her request, which means you probably ask her and then you get it and you give it to her. But I don't know because I already got the other horn ring. Removed hang on tree button for Rainwings. Player can now hang on trees by interacting with the item if close enough. Change curl tags the sit button while hanging on tree. Okay. Contents of table with scrolls can now be hidden. Alright, I think that's enough Q&A. Let's play in the snow, smiley face. Which means, like, I tried it. The scroll, you hit E and the scrolls look like a normal table. And admins can make snowstorms now. And then I'm like, oh my god, thank you so much, because I need that for the video. But that's about it. But let's go over the things that we've learned. I also had to make sure that they were comfortable with being in a YouTube video, because you never know. But we learned that mudwings are in the rigging stage, which is exciting. The Sandwing Kingdom is far from done. The next kingdom slash maps is the Mud Kingdom and the Scorpion Den. What does that say? Oh, highly doubtful. More new accessories will be released. If there is a reference to beetle wings, expect them. And then we learned number 2. Oh god. No fan tribes. After all the adults slash tribes are done, age stages will be out. Thank you to Fate slash, I will put their name on the screen. But that's basically it. And thank y'all for watching. Okay, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the actual next music video, which will be somewhere around Monday. So if you don't see a music video, now you know why. See ya.